Hello, Bernie Golias here, Chief Car Idiot. We're at the International Thunderbird Club Concours d'Elegance show in Westlake, Ohio. And we have a couple here that has the beautiful 57 T-Bird, and the dusk rose color attracted me to it, and they want to tell their story. So we have Dave and Deb. Welcome to Car Idiots Forever.
Thank you.
Who actually picked the car out, and how do you work together as a team?
Well, we actually found this car at the Mecum auction in Indianapolis in May of 16. We had gone a couple of years before that as spectators, and so we were on their mailing list. And the auction was approaching for May 2016. They sent out this brochure. There were actually 3 Dusk Rose 57s in that brochure, and they caught her eye. And she looked them all over, and we said, we have to go and be ready to buy this year. And we looked over all 3 of them, and this is the one we finally decided we were interested in.
Okay. Well, that sounds like a very interesting story. So you actually made the decision to get this car.
Yeah, I make a lot of the decisions on the car, and typically what...
Is that all, just a car?
Oh, well, yeah. And Dave usually says, have you lost your mind? But I loved this T-Bird. I had a girlfriend growing up, and her cousin had a pink T-Bird. Okay. And when I saw it, I remembered that, and I just fell in love with it.
Well, it is a beautiful car, and I'll tell you one thing. You have to have that passion, right? You have to be obsessed. Obsessive collecting is simply selecting, and buying another car that flatters helps in relationship matters.
Right, absolutely.
You're absolutely right about that.
Well, thanks so much for being on Car Idiots Forever. If you want to check out more, check us out at caridiotsforever.com. Friend us on Facebook and Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Bernie Golias, Chief Car Idiot, and we'll see you there.